Good morning, everyone. Back to a moto vlog after a year. Just caught up with some busy schedule, running here and there, no time for rides. So that has been the story for past 1 year. And here we are today on the Independence Day long weekend that we have. We have planned a day trip to places around Bangalore. Could not plan anything big, so this is what we have. It's gonna be a day long ride with folks from my office. Just like 6, right? Exact 6 a.m. in the morning. This BMTC buses never give side. So I have my office friend going somewhere in the front. So see, this is the indicator for a BMTC bus. It's a caution light. Chalo, time to go. So lovely Saturday morning. We have some clouds. I hope so it does not rain. We just don't want rain on a ride, that's all. The rest everything is fine. We do not want rain on a ride. Just leaving from here towards HAL now. We have not planned to take the nice road today, as you know. It's gonna be crowded. So we're just trying to exit through the city. It's just 6:30 and you can see the rush hour in Bangalore already. Everyone is trying to exit Bangalore now. Just reached Kengeri now. I have to stop for breakfast as well. This is Kengeri at 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god, it's so hot. Literally sweating. Shows 37 minutes more for our first destination is Manchanabele Dam. It is somewhere in the outskirts of Bangalore, if you see. Just done with breakfast here at Kadamba. Oh my god, it's so crowded. And yeah, bikers are not allowed to enter Mysore-Bangalore Expressway. We'll have to take a sad left. लेफ्ट लीजिए, अलाउड नहीं है यहाँ. There is like so many cops here, ready to stop you if you're entering the expressway and if you're on two-wheeler. Just half an hour more to Manchanabele Dam. The weather has become like amazing. Perfect time to glide, finally. This is what I wanted. We have taken a right from the expressway towards Manchanabele Dam. It shows 21 minutes more. We are going through the village limits. No high speeds here. The most difficult task for today was adjusting my riding gear. I had to do like so many adjustments. Finally now I feel it is set. That is what happens if you don't ride for a long time. Such a calm place. It's like perfect from all the city chaos. We just have 5 more kilometers to reach Manchanabele Dam. We did see a few folks coming back already. I don't know, it's 8 almost. So yeah, we are kind of late. लेते आगे चल के आते हैं, फिर देखते क्या है इधर. Like all have stopped here. I don't know, 1 kilometer before the actual location. There seems to be a trek or a viewpoint to the dam. Oh, this is the... Yep, this is the view here. Perfect. Oh. It is asking to take. This is not allowed. यहाँ से अलाउड है जाना? कोई है नहीं ना? Okay, we are getting in. I don't know if it's allowed or not. There's no one here. Let's see. I just hope cops are not there. ಅಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? There is a gate here which tells it is a prohibited area. I do not know if you can go. Shami bhai, यहाँ एक road है, off road. We are not going inside this. I want to take any risk. So there seems to be a road that runs parallel to the river. Let's go there. This is nice. Let's go to the unexplored part. Yep, we have a view here. I think there is an opening there in the front. I did see someone park their bike there. Yep, perfect. I got it. Okay, this is a nice. शांति. कैसा लगा? मस्त है. ग्रीनरी, शांति, बैंगलोर के ट्रैफिक से दूर. See how quiet this place is. Perfect. Bikes. Actually, this location is not in the map. You just have to come a bit down a road that is parallel to this river. You get this. Perfect. Better view of the mountains and the river and the bikes, of course. After spending some time in this, we are going to our next destination. किधर जा रहे हैं हम? Suvarnamukhi Reservoir. Okay, so we are done from our first place. We'll have to. The next we have to take a U-turn from here. Actually, the map was telling to go that towards left. I don't know. Okay. So the next destination is Suvarnamukhi Reservoir. It's 32 kilometers from here and an ETA of almost an hour. So we are just planning to go non-stop now. We're happy that at least we covered one place first. Spent some time here clicking photos, relaxing. Time for next. Okay, we do have people in our spot now. लोग तो पत्थर पे जाके बैठ गए.
पत्थर पे गए
कैसे वही कैसे गए मैं. Food is completely gone. So better to just go. We have buses coming in such a narrow road. Still in the middle of a village, not able to keep any speed here. There are like cows, animals, people everywhere in the middle. So you have to be very careful, especially inside when you're inside a village. You have unexpected events. Oh, can you go on top of this? At least you can try till there. Let's try. Okay. That's all. Looks nice. I think this is it's a lake. ठीक हो? उसका ऑलमोस्ट 2 बार फंसा वो. To take the previous turn. Okay. The behind one, I think that's the off-road one. I have a small detour that looks like an off-road. It'll be nice to do this. Okay, where? What I wanted. Nice. Okay, next. Let's see if he's there behind. Oh, he's coming slowly. हो रहा है ना?
मेरे को नहीं दिखा रहा भाई.
चलो मेरे पीछे चलो, आपको रास्ता दिखाता हूँ मैं.
तो मेरे को यूटर्न करके दिखा रहा है. और
नहीं देखिए, पहुँच गए बस, और 1.5 किलोमीटर और. This. Oh, pick up. Where is the road? How to go? Seriously? Right? We came inside a village and they were not happy. We coming inside the village, they have asked us to take an alternative route, which has some off-road again. आगे से राइट लेना है. Perfect adventure. Nice. It's like trails. Oh, okay. I cannot sit and ride this. I'm already on a higher gear. Okay, calm down. Chill. आराम से ओके no doing stunts here. If it goes here and there little bit gone. Just go in a straight line, that's all. I don't think so. This is the... I saw one road that joins somewhere there. मैंने एक रास्ता देखा तो वहाँ कहीं जॉइन होता है कहीं उस तरफ. We have reached the second destination for today. Okay, I had more expectations, but this is what we have again. Like on top of a dam kind of thing. There was a good off-road. I just loved it. Okay, everything is fine for now. Just left my bag and jacket. It's too hot.